Hi everyone and welcome back to this course. In this video, we would be learning about lists and what they are. So a list is denoted with these square brackets in Python. And a list is basically a collection of similar objects. So you can have a shopping list, you can have a list of fruits, you can have a list of users, and you get the idea, basically what they mean. And the items in a list do not need to be of the same type. In some languages, it was compulsory that you can either have a list of strings or a list of numbers, but in Python, you can have anything in a list. You can even have a list inside of a list. So here I have a file open, and let me create a list, and I'll just call it my list. And a list is declared inside square brackets, as I told you. And each value is separated by a comma. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this. I can even have strings, so I'll just add 9 as a string. And let's first just print the list. Print my list and save. Here I'll just run python 3 part4.py. And here it gives me this list. Pretty simple, right? Now let's delve a little deeper. So let me create a list which makes a little bit more sense. So I'll just create a list of fruits. And here I'll have apple, banana, pear, and let's have strawberries. Okay, so here I have all of these fruits, and let me first just print fruits. So I have formatted it a little differently. I just pressed enter here, and this just looks a little cleaner. There is no other reason to do that, but you see the output is not similar to this. So here we have the list being printed out called fruits, and we can access certain index numbers. So for example, apple is index 0, banana is index 1, pear is index 2, and strawberries is index 3. Let's say I want to print just banana out of it, so I just pass 1, run it, and it gives me banana. Let's say I want to print all fruits from banana to pear. I mean, they're just two, but let's say I just want to print them. I can just say 1:3 because it would stop here exactly rather than printing the third one also. So, oops, I forgot to save it again. Banana and pear. Perfect. Guess what would happen if I do this? This is a question for you. So when I have written this, it gives me apple, banana, and pear because it prints all the values till the third index number. So they are till pear. Now, another question for you. Guess what would happen if I do this? Let's run it and see now. It reverses the order of the list. Now, the reason it does that is because internally this thing works like a for loop. Starting point, ending point, and step. So since it's going backwards, it goes from strawberries, pear, banana to apple, and every single value is printed out backwards. So strawberry, pear, banana, apple. That is how it happens internally. Now, so we can also create a list using the lists constructor. So the constructor takes a tuple as an argument or a dictionary, but basically you just add another bracket within it, and you write apple, banana, or whatever you want to add to the list, banana. And I'll just add 1 and print fruits. So let me run it and it returns a list like this. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.